Hey guys, you're at Show Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm gonna show you what we got going on. We're doing something pretty patriotic. I love America because we're here in it. You know what I mean? Support your country. This is We the People. It's a very patriotic way to display your American pride. You know, so this lady, she wanted this. She had an idea. She saw something online and she's like, can you do this? And I was like, absolutely. So we started this project a while back, building this design, piecing this all together and blending it onto her Denali. After we laid the graphic on here, we did a full paint protection on the hood, fenders, bumper, you know, and that's the thing. Paint protection doesn't show off well in videos, but it's super cool because it's self-healing. Maybe we should show them that real quick. Should we show them the self-healing part? Andre grabbed me a heat gun, dog. So what you don't get to see, maybe over here in the light, look, you'd be like, regular wire brush. That looks terrible, don't it? Imagine if that was your new car. Your new graphic, you just...
We didn't put PPF on this yet.
Oh God, we didn't put PPF on this yet. I always put a lot of faith in this product. So when we say self-healing up to 25 pounds of pressure. Although it really just looks super shiny. Really what you're getting is a high protection film on your car installed by some of the great right here, right now. If you want that, you know what's up. You know what I mean? If you want American flag, you're at the spot. Whatever you need, I got you. Hit me up. You want me to wrap your car pink? I can also do that. We did that. Then we did the front clip, which is the hood, fenders, bumper. We did the rockers down here. We did the full roof. We did the A-pillars. And we did the rear bumper. And then we did the rest of the car in a Ceramic Pro 5-year coating. So, full package. We did her car and her husband's car. They had like, I don't know if they're just treating themselves for Christmas or what, but they went all out. They did some graphics on each one of them. They've got a new style. She's gonna pick this up tomorrow, and they're super pumped about it. You know, if you like what you see, you know what I mean? If you have any ideas, you know, we can do anything you can dream up. So that's the fun part about it. We can do whatever we want to do. Behind us, behind me, back there, that little guy. Oh, hey girl, hey. That's an X7. M's package. What do you call it? So this is the newest. Like this is literally the newest. I think this is the only one in our town right now. 2024 X7. So this is kind of making big waves right now because of the sunroof. Have you seen that? So let's see if I can figure it out. I honestly don't know. Apparently they put lights in the sunroof now. I never had to turn on my sunroof lights before, so I don't really know. Man, this camera, look at this camera on here. Dude, I wish you could see how freaking clear that is. It's like better than my eyeballs. Jiminy Christmas, this thing is cool. This guy is like one of the coolest dudes. I talked to him on the phone today. Super down to earth, super cool. Like, I'm talking, wow. Oh yeah. That's the money shot.
Right now.
Thanks, God. Thanks, dog. Yeah, totally worth it. Yeah, there's a lot of customization, R&D, and design, obviously. You know, BMW's always been on the cutting edge of luxury in my mind. These seats, obviously, off the chain, nice. So this thing is actually doing a full paint protection wrap. Super challenging. This hood's already done. They knocked this out of the park today. We are going to make this thing flawless. Flawless. When I say flawless, I say flawless. Hey, Andre, you want to go get the high country? Let's bring in the high country. We'll put it in the back. We'll put it in the back corner and we'll bring the high country. And you guys want to see the high country too? Might as well. That's the next on the list. Up here, yeah. I'll move this when you go get the high country in the carpet shop. I wanted to show you real quick. We just did a quick swap. Also, we have the high country. The Denali you saw, it's all done. It's going out. We moved it to the back. We're starting this one. We're going to start taking it apart. We're going to start yeeting off these badges. We're going to pull this thing out of here. It's got to come out. And we're gonna start cleaning it up, getting the paint ready for the film. We did window tinting on it already. So this stuff right here, what do we guys use this for? Dental floss? No, this is how we take the badges off, you know, something like that. Andre's over there doing it right now, right? Oh, he's measuring. He's measuring because we gotta know where to put them back to. That's super important. And then we're gonna do a rocker kit. We're gonna do full bed sides. We're gonna do full bumper, tailgate, 5-year coating. Should be ready to rock. It's fully protected. This guy's super stressed. He just bought this and he's keyed up. You know, he had a bad experience years ago with a different vehicle at a different location, and he's scared. You know what I mean? This is his new baby. He drove the same truck for like 20 years. He's planning on driving this one for 20, and he wants to protect it. We're gonna give him all-star service. We're gonna give him all-star. He's gonna feel so much better after we do this. But we just got to get to it and get going, and that's what they're doing now. They're starting it off. This is how we go. We'll be doing a lot of paint protection. I got another Blazer you haven't seen yet, so make sure you check out the next video. Maybe we'll get to catch that. We're gonna do some fun stuff to it too. We're repairing some damage, you know, and then we've got some cool stuff coming. I was trying to remember something that we're about to do. Oh yeah, the security film. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. I want you to think about this. Pow! Here, hit sledgehammers. It's gonna be super cool. Make sure you check it out. Thanks for checking it out. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a good night.